Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background from your video using CapCut on your iPhone or Android device. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store if you're using an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you're using Android. In the search bar, type CapCut and make sure you download the official app. If you already have it installed, check that it's updated to the latest version, because some features may not work properly on older versions. Once the app is ready, open CapCut and tap on New Project. Now, select the video from your gallery that you want to edit and tap Add. After your video appears on the timeline, tap on the video clip to make sure it is selected. Then swipe the bottom menu to the left until you find the option called Background or Remove Background, depending on your version. Tap on it and then choose Auto Removal. CapCut will automatically start detecting the subject and removing the background from your video using AI technology. Wait a few seconds for the process to complete. Once it's done, your background will be removed, and you can now add any custom background image or color you like. And that's it! That's how you can easily remove the background from your video in CapCut.